Galactic greetings and blessings, dear ones. And celestial blessings from your guides, animal totem guides, spirit guides, guardian angels, the ancestors, and all the ascended masters that are present and proud and delighted, enlightened that you are here today to accept this blessing. So in this energy today, I was feeling this elephant energy. So today's totem animal messages from our elephant family, the symbol of family and children. And so it would only stand to reason that I would feel this energy because of our galactic families and our galactic children and their strength, yet in their gentleness. And they feel like we feel. And I feel this ancient, divine, deep, familial, ancestral energy when I feel the elephant energy. And I was also then feeling my energy of Ganesha, the Hindu god, and the essence of that energy is removing obstacles in new paths and new beginnings. So I thought that was very fitting, and I was also for this time of this age of Aquarius and this time of awakening and this August and the Lion's Gate and picking up the tools to literally create the keys to unlocking these great mysteries. And every time we raise our frequency, every time we change our frequency, raise or not raise, every time we change our frequency, we then receive by virtue of the mirror of what we put out is what we receive back. We receive then back the reality in which is a result of this new frequency. You're always going to see signs of this new frequency then. So I thank the Elephant Collective for being with us here today. And I thank you all for opening the portals within you and allowing this light language blessing from Ganesha, your soul guides, your star guides, your nature spirit guides, your ancestral spirit guides, Mirona Ewaka Enesatase Mona Irakiano de Andore Seboli Andalo Rungoya Iwalaise. It is the time of great healing. It is the time for traversing through timelines. It is the time for great balance. It is a time of new beginnings and endings of old. Oh. The standing ones are here. The tree collective. The Hathor are here. To remind you that sound and tone and languages are codes of healing, codes of opening portals within you. It is the time to open the gates. The time for all of you to pick up the keys. The time to meet your families. The time to open the door to your guides, your animal ancestors. Ganesh, half elephant, half human. This is a symbol of your own ancient wisdom. Ruanyawa yara kuliandara siwaliana hawarungia satiara saroliandara sono. IlliAnna kiliandara silahi. And we of the Elohim, and we of Sirius. Congratulate you for this divine gift you offer to the universe, to all that is and all that ever is and will be. Homora India Sanira Kilendoro Horungo Yashawahi, Walahindara Si, Kaliandara Sanonira Wendoro Sotovesi, in the Kilandara Sotorishnevo Yanakiata Yishu, Ohana ki toda si shnorande si warundira walnayana kwaleyawa alehewa liandorosi. And we are IlliAnna, the mirror of God, as you are the mirror of God. You are perfect balance and you are perfect harmony. That is your true core vibration. Mianuea satasi, IlliAnna wakiaro shuhi, waleharua kishitura se balendara siwa. Amokore shi aruhuni. Himoria satasinira, kalianda sotosi kandesha, alate kambi rongoniera, itadashika. Heraha. Ehelendiawa kondera satera satara shanako awa hua. Miawa kuana katesha. Love all beings as family. Love all beings as we, the elephants, love our children. Mourn our children as you mourn your children. We are a collective of feeling, where we feel what you feel and understand what you feel and take what you feel. To the native spirits, the nature spirits, the animal collectives. For many of them do not understand feeling. Miaruki ashanaria undi sakendara shawa hala indira kiara said. We must excuse for the channel's remembering as a child her ears being referred to as Dumbo, the beloved elephant. And she has allowed us to share with this with you now, and this enlightenment as we, as ascended ones, understand. The heart must be light and loving and playful and gleeful and joyful and enthusiastic. And though the elephant is heavy, it is soft. It knows its own power. Yet it too understands that the greatest power lies in the lightest touch. Even rereading the childhood story of Dumbo. Let it warm and open your heart. For all of these things, warm and open your heart. Feel the chain of wisdom. As you grasp our trunk. Feel our love. Feel our softness, feel our lightheartedness, feel our smiles, feel our love radiating to the human collective consciousness. For you have conjured us and we have conjured you. For we are one. We are a mirror of you and you a mirror of us. For that is the way of all that is. Nirundia Siminkiara, Sonora Yandor Sonora Cosa Parashiva, Kilandara Si Kondara Kiwa Kilandaro Roche, Illihi Sataniandara Si Wankiu, Inuhuliandara Si, no matter what God you name, or you see in your image, or in your words, or in your texts, in your hearts, we're all the same and we are all one. We are all the same. We're all the same vibration. By every name, we are the same. And that is all, Divine Ones. As you open the gates of Sirius, you open your hearts and your minds and your spirits and your light bodies to all that is, and all nature spirits will respond in kind. The Avian Collective is here to greet you now, yes. It is time for you to fly. It is time to become the phoenix, the eagle. Feel the light-hearted bird song. This is how your heart should feel. It should sing every moment. As soon as the dawn begins to break, long before the light rises above the horizon, the birds are singing with glee. A new day is born. A new now is born. They're here to remind you of this. Every day you are new. And you are free to fly at any time. Niawaniya Sadasya Maria Shanoria Miaru. The boats play in the water. Ranger swims and the water. The light dances off the water. And we love light. And she loves light. And sound and color. And the fish and blessing the waters. And all the shores. Every drop of rain and every cloud. Every river and every ocean. Above, below, and beyond. There's beauty. And she is in gratitude. The gratitude in which you fall upon your knees in exquisite bliss, simply because you exist. Yanuata shiaro kuembasha alahi lehara sanatere sonoria shro ambakaya varayanarasi barishi float in the ocean of awareness in the sage of Aquarius, and allow this blue, white, violet flame of the Aquarian fire to fill you with gratitude and love of your own divinity. For it is in this moment that you discover and experience your own divinity. This is why you weep, for you have forgotten. We are here to remind you. Ascend, masters, ascend. But you must ask, for you have free will and utter free will to create anything you desire. You must ask. We are here for you. Everything, every decision, we are here for you. Nothing is too small, nothing is too slight, nothing is too light, nothing is too deep or dark or heavy. That is why we have come. That is why you are vibrating in this frequency. For your heart has asked, and we have come. You are the sequoia, you are the redwood, you are the roots deep and through the earth. You are the root, and you are the star. And all that exists within, in between and around. For you are the ether, and you are source, and you are light. You are a walking message of light, frequency of light, beam of light, language of light. You are always emitting a frequency, which is your own unique language of light. And we are one with you in this now, in this way, in this day of light, as we bless the earth, the air, the fire, the water, and the ether. Earth angels, guardians of Gaia. Lehenasi, Rasunoria, Shanoria, Wangoshi, Wali Andarsi, Biarsi, Sonosi. Feel your light, shine your light, beam your light in every direction. For you are a lighthouse. It is time to open the gate to your light. Yawi kia satasina kleandor sono orkoshiahi. Ili nira solo indara sawa onoria shawale haro kuambalesina ki wanaki sotose tianda ki landia shno orunkoshia wala hela koyana ki alase. O hanoria sonora sibora shinyawara konyara uayashinawa. La te tataki lanti sikiani shawa kayandaha. Ganesh Kiaroye Satarasim Barshnore Salianahi Le Karsira Sunira Kolanda Shamora Shia Walianda Elehera Sonora Sabala Sariandra Sono Koshia Wakaleha La Setonqua Aleki Shota Mia Kaliantara. And I thank you once again, beautiful lighthouses, way showers, illuminators, beautiful beacons of light. Be with the nature spirits. Be with the sun, the moon, the sunrise, the sunset, the water. Bless the water. Be grateful for the breath. Always come back to the breath, for the breath is love. Mahalo, namaste. I love you.